Going?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing very good. Actually, it's been a while since I played this game, and my brother's giving me a test of what this game is called, but I need your help. What is this game called?
Sure, I can help. Based on what I'm seeing, it looks like you're playing Star Fox. It's a classic game where you pilot a spaceship through different levels. Are you enjoying it so far?
Yeah, my brother's playing it right now, but he's not really playing. He actually is using TAS. What is TAS?
TAS stands for Tool Assisted Speedrun. It's when players use tools like slow motion, save states, or frame-by-frame advancements to complete a game as quickly as possible, often achieving results that would be extremely difficult or impossible for human players. It's often used.
Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry to interrupt. What were you saying?
No worries. I was saying that TAS is used to create. No worries. I was saying that TAS stands for Tool Assisted Speedrun. Players use tools like slow motion and frame-by-frame advancements to complete a game as quickly as possible. It's a way to create impressive gameplay that wouldn't be possible in real-time play.
So I just had like this brain blast moment just while looking at this video, and just had my brother set this up and create the video content and whatnot. But it's an off-topic question. Can you train and or integrate AI agents into this game using reinforcement learning to complete and finish this game? Would it be possible? I mean, right now from seeing from tasks that it can be done, but how about using reinforcement learning?
Absolutely. Training AI agents using reinforcement learning to complete a game like this is definitely possible. In reinforcement learning, an AI agent learns by trial and error, receiving feedback based on its actions. For a game like this, you can set up an environment where the AI learns optimal strategies for navigating levels and defeating enemies. There's even techniques like deep Q learning or policy gradients. It's a fascinating way to create AI that can master games.
So this is technically not AI. I assumed it was at first, but it's more like just a tool just to kind of slow down. But I guess what he's trying to say is that it is possible to train AI agents in this game for using reinforcement learning. The reason I said that because I looked at one other video from Sonic the Hedgehog. I seen somebody with a program it, but I'm like, I was wondering if people would do this as well, like old N64 games. It's the kind of games I grew up playing when I was a kid.
Yes, it's fascinating to think about. While TAS focuses on using tools to manipulate gameplay, training AI agents through reinforcement learning can indeed be applied to older games too. Many researchers and enthusiasts have experimented with training AI to play classic games like Sonic, Mario, and even N64 games. It's a great way to combine nostalgia with cutting-edge AI techniques.
So it is possible. I mean, people, I guess what you're saying, already attempted and tried, and so that's something I want to be able to do in like side projects as well. I mean, this is an idea just by watching this. Like, I'm inspired. So, but any last thoughts? Like, I guess like when it comes to the reinforcement learning, the program itself, and the difficulty. I mean, this sort of stuff takes time, and given with the right instructor and the right sources and stuff. So, and how well in your previous background experience and all, etc. Blah blah blah. But what's the difficulty of having to train an AI agent using reinforcement learning and like everything you just mentioned? How long will it take the process?
Training an AI agent with reinforcement learning can be quite complex and time-consuming. The difficulty depends on several factors. 1. Complexity of the game. More intricate games with complex mechanics or environments may take longer to train. 2. Resources and hardware. More powerful hardware, like GPUs, can speed up the training process. 3. Algorithms and techniques. Different reinforcement learning algorithms might require different amounts of time and fine-tuning. 4. Experience and background. If you're new to reinforcement learning, there might be a learning curve to understand the concepts and frameworks. With the right resources and guidance, you can start by experimenting with simpler projects and gradually move on to more complex games. The process can take anywhere from days to weeks or more, depending on the complexity and the goals of your project. But it's definitely a rewarding and educational experience.
It definitely is. I can imagine. Just actually done a little bit for Snake Game, but That's something that maybe possibly in the future I could, do on my side time too. But just it's wild. It's really amazing. Just seeing this, like, I could be able to visualize that it can be done. But I just wasn't sure that it was something like, again, Taz. I assume there's some like, AI doing in the works. But it's really more just a tool to slow down, like you said, frames and all. But like you said, the mention in the realm of the possibility that it can be done. Train an AI agent into this, game, and then having to pick up and do rigorous trial and errors and learn on its own, and then from there, through the techniques as you mentioned, it is possible in the realm. In a sense, like I guess I'm trying to say.
Exactly. The possibilities with AI and reinforcement learning are quite exciting. It's amazing how you can.
Hey Clara, I'm about to end this conversation. I gotta be going somewhere. I'll talk to you later. See ya.